Quick Cable has been involved with batteries and battery care for over 60 years. The last 40 years we've been heavily involved as far as battery connections are concerned and care and maintenance of batteries. We've been able to use that experience to enter a lot of markets, and one of the newest, hottest growing markets that we see an opportunity in, of course, is renewable energy. We felt it important to get into the industry and really bring out products that are going to help people maintain their investment. It's a very heavy investment as far as the battery systems are concerned, and we want to make sure that people are doing the right things to have as much longevity as possible with those battery systems, because it is a big investment.
In 6 weeks or less, we could ruin that battery and throw away the investment entirely if we don't understand how to care for it.
And it's worth maintaining, treating it properly, such as periodic watering, washes, including using acid neutralizer, proper charging, having properly sized chargers and properly charged batteries. It's all incredibly important to securing that investment.